So before we display the contact details, let's move back to the contact list. And here let's add div with the card and BG light and margin top and bottom of 5. So let's close this tab and here inside, so let's add a div with the card body. So here we don't need this dash. So here inside card body, so we have another div with row and margin top and bottom of, or let's give it just margin bottom of 5. So what else we need? So we need div with call md2 and mx auto. So let's do something. So here let's add another div with the card header, and card header will have also BG white, and let's add here white, and here so you will have navbar. Okay, so we'll add navbar later, so just skip commands here. Also we need another so let's add another div here with row and margin top and the bottom of 3, and also we need another div with call md6 and mx auto, and here inside, so inside we will display flash messages. Okay, so we will display them later, flash messages. So let's add just commands here and later we will add them. And here inside the div, so here, or let's do something, let's remove card body and add another div, and inside let's add card body, and this div will be available only, or will be displayed only if we have contacts. So we can check inside contacts, and let's do something. Let's move to the home controller and change it from all to paginate and use 10. Okay, so we will display 10 by page. So now here, because we are using the paginate, so we will have the data, so contact.data.length. Okay, so if we don't use the pagination, so we will use only contact.length, but because we are using the pagination, so we need to access also the data and then the length. Okay, so now if we have the contacts, so we will display the list. If not, we will not display anything. Okay, we will not display anything, but we will display a message telling user that he don't have any contacts for now. Okay, so here we will display the links for ordering contacts. Okay, so we'll add them later inside this div. And next we need to add another div with row, and here inside we will have contact list. Okay, so let's import it first. So import contact list item from, so it's in the same folder. So now we can use it here and give it the contact as prop. So here we have the contact list item, and before we give it the prop, which is the contact, so we need to loop through each contact. So as I said, we will have the contacts and we need to access the data because we are using the pagination. And here we have the K, and K also will be the contact.id. And now we can send the contact as prop and we provide contact, and that's all. Okay, so now we have the contact list. So what we need to do, we need to add the content of this component. So let's do something. Let's change this one to setup, and also here this one to scooped. Okay, so save. So for now we have only, as you can see, we have only card with the header. So let's add, as I said, content of the contact list. So let's add our list item. Let's add here div with call md4 and margin bottom of 2. And inside we have another one which has card, and we have another div which has card body. And let's bring the body. So here you have the body, and we need to add div with the flex, and flex, or not flex, justify content to the center. So let's bring it back again. So hit enter, and here we will have a link to add contact to favorites. Okay, so we will add it later. So the link we will add it later. For now, let's just display the details of the users or the contacts. So let's add here span and give it font weight bold. And here inside, let's display the contact dot name. But as we have done here, so we need to add the props. So you'll receive contact as prop. So here let's paste, and here we have only one contact. Okay, so save, and let's take a look and see what we have here. So as you can see, we have names. So let's and we have only 10, as you can see. So what else we need? So we need to display we need to display the country code, but we will do that later for the country code. Let's add here country, or not the country code, but the country flag. So we will use the country code to display the country flag. So we will do that later. Okay, once we reach the country, because we need to install a package to do that. Okay, so next what we have another div with class flex, and the flex column, and what else we need margin top and bottom of 2, and flex column, margin top and bottom of 2, and we need another span. Let's bring this one and paste it here, and this one will take the border and border class border and border light, and what else we need border of 3, and also rounded, and also padding of 1, and the margin bottom of 1. Okay, and here we will display the phone. So let's save and take a look. So as you can see, we have the phone of the user. Okay, so what we need else, we need the email. So let's copy and paste here, and here we will have the same thing, just remove the margin bottom and change it to email. So save, let's take a look, and we have the email. And also we need to display the icon. So let's add icon here. So i.fas.fa, and here we need the phone icon, and for the email we need the envelope. So let's change it to envelope. So save, let's take a look, and as you can see, we have now the email, or we have the icons. So next what we have, so we need to display the links for editing and deleting, so we will do that later. So now let's move and display, so let's display the country flag here, and also we did not display the country and the company, so let's display also the company and the job title, not the country, job title and company. We did not display them, so let's do that now. So let's copy from here and paste here. So let's remove the margin, we don't need it, and also here for this span, so let's give it text to, so let's give it text primary, and here let's change it to company, and here so for the icon, so we don't need icon, let's remove it, and also here we need as I said the job title, and for the job title, so we don't need any class. Okay, so let's remove this and save. So let's take a look. So as you can see, we have here, let's add the, so here we have the margin top and the bottom. Let's add also, so I think let's add the margin and the, or margin top and bottom also for this one. Let's add it also here and give it 2 and save. Let's take a look. So I think now it's better. So we have the company, the job title, the phone number and email, and here the name. So let's do something. Let's add so here inside the, where is it? So inside index, so let's add here div with a class container, and add the components inside. So save. So let's take a look. So as you can see now it's better. So next let's display the, so we need to display the link so we can update and delete a contact, and later we will add the link so we can add the contact.